G'day, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted and the white that you can see is the reflection of the lights. Bit of a mixed bag. Bit of potch there. Actually that bit's a piece of lightning ridge, I think. Cutters often cutting all sorts of material and sometimes something falls in. A bit of matrix. Nice red flash there. Greeny blues. Multicolour. Over on the side there, little bar of colour. Basically a chip. And a not much bit. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.